So we're gonna put a Coyote engine, what, Gen 3, Gen 2?
Oh shit, oh.
Oh, I know, it's loud. So you already know, I just said the name. You guys already know what they are, bro.
Oh yeah. What's up everybody? This is your boy, Angel, aka that's stock. I said it again, what the f? This is your boy, NSA Vet. That's gonna be my new name. As you can see, I have a vet over here. I've had it for like a month maybe, and I already put 1,000 miles in it. So I did a couple pulls, and after I was done doing the pulls, I smelled a little bit of oil. I smelled that little smelly smell that you get when oil is dripping into the exhaust manifold. It wasn't that bad, it was just a little bit of oil residue coming from the bath covers, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm spinning around and getting around the whole garage. The beautiful Mustang right there. He's got some parts coming in to make it look a little bit more spicy. So I'm gonna try to put together all the clips of us working on the cars and make it into a video. First, look at this clean ass interior. Still got that new car smell. It looks so crazy with the hood pop open. I'm gonna take the covers off for you guys so you can see where the valve is leaking from. I'm sure you guys are gonna be able to see this one. Let me see if I can think of some stories while I do this. I've been lucky so far. Every place that I've worked, I always find cool people and we're always messing around and having a good time while we're working. There was this guy, but he was doing an oil change. He started draining the oil and he was talking to me, having a good time as always. And we were under the car. He starts to walk under the oil stream and he didn't even notice it. He was just standing there for a little bit, getting soaked in oil. And he didn't realize, he just told me, oh, I feel something warm on the top of my head. And he looks up, and man, that shit was so funny. We were making fun of him. Yeah, covered in oil.
What's up, fam?
He's here. He's gonna help me swap the engine for a Coyote, and that's what we're actually doing. We're not replacing the valve covers. We're doing an engine swap, Coyote swap.
Exactly. Because you know everyone, those LS swaps.
Somebody f***ed this Corvette up. Somebody LS swapped this Corvette.
They messed it up with the LS. So we're gonna put a Coyote engine, what, Gen 3, Gen 2? What are we doing?
Something nice.
Something nice.
So it can actually be fast.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's get into this, guys.
But yeah, no, I didn't have to take anything else off. Put a little bit of force in and it came off. There's nothing crazy going on. Everything looks good. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I'll show you how it's supposed to look like. Nice and clean.
How's the Coyote swap going, sir?
Going good so far. We already have the Coyote in it. But we put a top cover so it looks like it's an LS engine still.
So it's just a plastic cover, right?
Yeah, if you look right here in the corner, you can see that it's a Coyote, but hard to see from the lighting, but yeah.
Because of the lighting, you might not be able to see it, but it's there, trust me, guys. Alright, guys. So, what's up? What happened?
Yeah, I put the engine, and we're gonna need to buy a new Corvette C8.
It should be good to go, right? No more leaks.
Good for another pull. I paid for the whole ass car. I'm gonna use the whole ass car. I'm gonna use the whole RPM gauge.
That's right. I like the attitude. So what's up, bro? What are we doing today?
We're gonna be replacing the door handle with a brand new OEM one.
The old one we had, somebody tried to break into the Integra and it broke. Oh, they broke it.
It's pretty common for these to break. But yeah, this one was out of a donor car. It was a white one, so we're painting it right now just so it matches the car, but... Oh shit, oh.
Yes, anyway, break your tools.
Yeah, we're just trying to fix little shit here and there that's been wrong with the car for a while, but we never spent money or time on it. Something breaks and we fix it, but we never actually fix like the little things that you use every day, like the door handle or the stereo or anything like that.
Yeah.
So
damn, guys, these Toyos look amazing on the Integra. But yeah, the car's getting there. The interiors looks pretty decent. The outside is when it's the most work, like, you know, the body. We want to have a badass body kit on it, wrap it ourselves, and some other cosmetic details. You guys better stay tuned for that, because we're gonna make probably gonna make episodes about this. Welcome back to Coyote Hub, muchachos. Today we're gonna change the look of the rear of the Mustang. You guys see those taillights? Those taillights will be no more. We're gonna jump in the train wagon as every other Mustang owner, and we're gonna give it a different look. So stay tuned for that, guys. The reason I went with these taillights is because I saw them a long time ago, you know, since like back in 2015, 2016, before all these mofos start doing the same thing. It's not original no more, no? It's not original no more. That's why Mustangs become overrated, bro, because every Mustang look the same. No cap, bro, you guys might hate me on this, but they all look the f***ing same. So, like I say, I jump in the bandwagon, not the train wagon, the bandwagon. But yeah, I want to give a big shout out to S550 Euros and Alex from the company. Thank you, S550 Euros again. And now let's unbox these beauties. So you already know, I just said the name. You guys already know what they are, bro. Ooh. Ooh. And yeah, they're not the smoke ones, because you know, if you get a black Mustang, you gotta go with the clear ones, because they just look amazing, man. Look at this thing, bro.
Can you touch me?
Oh, touch them, bro. They look really nice. So yeah, they're beautiful, man. I want to touch them because I want to buy them, bro. I don't know, like, you know, when you feel like you want to buy something, like.
So straight bolt on.
Yeah, it's just like a clip shit.
All the stock points. You don't have to modify anything.
So I gotta fix the faded ass batch, but you guys will see a new batch that we got coming in, and it's gonna match with these tail lights so perfectly. You guys will love it. Trust me. We got new merch, guys. If you guys want to cop one of these new hoodies for, you know, cozy weather, for this cuddling weather, make sure you guys hit us up, and we'll get you guys square away with one of these new hoodies. All right. Mr. Bet filling the install, and I'm just here, you know, filming because he wants to do everything. All right, let's see what he's doing.
And it comes off like that.
Oh, and it comes off like that, just like that, bro.
So the grommet right here.
It just started like 30 seconds ago. That's it, bro.
That was quick.
So yeah, one thing I want to show you guys. So like I said, it's a simple install.
But look at the quality. You can tell the quality because the grommet just went right in, and it fits flush with everything. This is like actually like factory quality.
Michelle, thank you for holding the camera. You can rest now. So you guys can appreciate it. Damn, bro. With that wing, the difference, bro. So that side, clean as hell. That side, it's just like, you need an upgrade for sure.
I feel stupid for telling you not to get them because I used to think that it wasn't gonna match the car because it doesn't have any white in it. But just looking at them right now, man, they look so clean. It matches the Coyote Hub letters.
That's right. I know how to do it, but I know you're faster and you got better skills than me, so go ahead.
Yeah, it takes.
Yeah, see how long it takes. Oh, you messed up already, bro. So here we are, back in the jungle. We observing this majestic and exquisite beast trying to mate.
What was that?
Oh yeah, that's it.
What was the time?
That's the time. I don't know, bro. It was like a minute, but it was fast. Oh, Zabi's right there. I just posted that like 20 minutes ago, and it's for shits and giggles. Let's compare these two, guys. So factory Euro.
Oh wait, are you wet?
No,
it's just that drip.
yeah, it's that drip. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, guys. Pull the cable. Make sure the little plastic shit stays in. All right, so that's it. It's gonna close the trunk. Oh shit! I saw some lighting. I saw something happen. Turn on the car. So Angel's about to turn on the car. Damn, that thing is loud. Oh, they're red. I thought they were gonna be amber.
Look at the tire. Look how thick the tire is, bro. Something I just noticed too. Look at this. This vent's actually functional.
We got a little mechanic ready to fucking help. Oh, I know it's loud. I'm gonna protect you. Watch out.
Did you tell the story about the Rhino?
What Rhino?
We had a gas station at the corner, and we used to go over there all the time. One day we went over there to get some Red Bulls. We came up with the idea to buy Rhinos.
Rhinos, the Viagra shit?
Yeah.
What the
And we just walked around the shop looking for people that left their drinks on top of their box, and we just pour a little bit of Rhino in there, see if they would notice.
Who took the audacity, or who decided to spend the money on Rhinos, bro? Because those things are expensive. So you guys spend money out of your own pocket to make your friends have.
Can I just say it does sound a little bit sus?
Yeah, sounds us.
Did it, guys?
That should took you like what, 30 minutes?
Yeah. So it's spinning no noise at all. And this thing was pretty bad. I didn't know this, but apparently there's like different packages for the suspension in the Corvette. There's like a FE1, FE2, FE3. Apparently it matters for which bearing you're gonna order, but none of the websites ask you what type of suspension you have. So I had to do a little research, and that's how I found out about it. The hub on the other one was thicker than this one, and it wouldn't allow it to spin. It took me a while. It took me like 2 weeks to get the actual bearing that looked like this one. And I finally got it. We put it on, So now we gotta test drive it. It's the moment of truth. I have the active exhaust on right now, so it's pretty quiet. It sounds like a fucking garbage truck, but if I take it off, haha, instant loudness. Hell yeah. It's like turning on the radio, instant music right there. So yeah, it looks like the problem went away. So the Corvette is back in the road. It's ready to go, ready to deliver some Gappa juice now. This is the third bearing that I ordered, and it actually fit. And I was finally able to see if it was gonna fix the problem. But yeah, I had to order 3 different bearings to get the right one. And I'm finally driving it, so it was worth the wait.